Apex now allows for the duplication of lens and catalog light source optical components in an assembly. Let's take a look at a simple example. In this assembly, we have a catalog light source and a lens, and we'll duplicate this. First, we'll select the lens and the light source, and go to the SOLIDWORKS Assembly tab. Looking at the component patterning options, we have linear component patterns, circular component patterns, feature-driven, and mirrored components. For this example, we'll make a linear pattern. First, we select a direction for the pattern, and then a distance, in this case 30 millimeters, and the number of instances. We'll add 2 instances to our pattern, and select OK. Going back to the Optics Manager tab, you can see that we have 2 new light sources and 2 new lenses. If we look at the new light sources in more detail using the Edit functionality, we can see that there are no light source raysets associated with these, but that's easily remedied. First, we'll select the original light source, right-click, and select the new option, Copy Raysets. Then, we can select any or all of the light sources we'd like to copy the raysets to. Again, right-click, and this time select Paste Raysets. Now if we edit one of these light sources, we can see that the original light sources have now been copied over to this light source. And that's a brief overview of the new lens and catalog light source duplication functionality in Apex.